Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Soulful Life. As you know, today here we are at Aero India Airshow, an aviation exhibition held in Bengaluru at Yelahanka Air Force Station. It is organized by the Defense Exhibition Organization Ministry of Defense. So the organizers is the Ministry of Defense, Indian Air Force, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, Development of Space, Defense Exhibition Organization, the Union Civil Aviation Ministry, and such organizations others organize the Airshow India. This is the Aero India 2025 show and it is held on 10th to 14th February 2025 at Yelahanka Air Force Station, Bengaluru. This Yelahanka Air Force Station was established during Second World War as an RAF airfield and is located at Bengaluru. India gained independence in 1947 and took control of the station for pilot training. So the timings are 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Those who are out of Bangalore, they can reach Yelahanka Air Force Station by the venue. The venue is located about 25 kilometers from Bengaluru city near Kempegowda International Airport. Travel time from the airport to the venue is approximately 40 to 45 minutes by road. It is advisable to use taxi service or public transport due to limited parking options. Here the purpose of an air show is to provide an opportunity for people to see US military air capabilities in action and meet the service members who fly and maintain the equipment. This Yelahanka Air Force Station has one runway which is 3004 meters long, and every 2 years a biennial air show takes place at the Air Force Station. Aero India 2025, the 15th edition of Asia's premier biennial air show. This held from February 10th to 14th in 2025 at Air Force Station, Yelahanka, Bengaluru. Organized by the Ministry of Defense. This is a 5-day event, features over 9,000 exhibitors, including major global aerospace firms, showcasing advanced aircraft technology and aerial displays to promote Make in India. There are much more highlights happening at Aero India. Stunning aerobatic displays, LCA Mark 1, Alpha maneuvers, F-16 fighting Falcon displays, and the Indian Pavilion showcasing indigenous defense capabilities. Its objective to provide a platform for foreign OEMs to connect with Indian aerospace industry, focusing on defense manufacturing and technology. It is extremely crowded with significant traffic expected near the venue, so be prepared. Aero India serves as a critical large-scale exhibition combining a major trade fair with high-performance flight demonstrations, bringing together global industry leaders and defense strategies. So Aero India 2025 tickets for the Airshow at Yelahanka Air Force Station, Bengaluru, that is held on February 10th to 14th, 2025, can be booked exclusively through the official websites aeroindia.gov.in. Options include general public, that is February 13th to 14th, charges 1000 to 2500, and ADVA, that is Air Display Viewing Area passes. Registration requires ID, personal details, and online payment with e-ticket sent via email. Ticket prices for the next Aero India likely 2027, as it is biennial following 2025's event at Bengaluru, are expected to be similar to 2025. Around 2500 rupees for Indian general public days and rupees 5000 for business visitors and rupees 1000 for ADVA, that is Air Display Viewing Area passes, with foreign national paying USD amounts, but officially 2026 or 2027 details will be held on the official website aeroindia.gov.in when it is closer to the event. So that's it about this video. Thanks for watching this video, friends. See you in my next vlog. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Soulful Life.